In this video, I'll talk about the oxidation and different process of oxidation. So what oxidation is, making a SiO2 layer on the surface of the wafer by using steam or oxygen in order to prevent some materials that can bother the device from bothering the device, and in order to make the device do its role as an insulator. So in order to prevent some of the problems that can be caused by when the distance between two different transistors are too close, so we need to do the isolation between transistor and the transistor. So to do that, we have the low-cost method. Low-cost is an local oxidation of silicon. It is a process of making a SiO2 layer between the transistors in order to do the isolation process. It seems like a very good method of doing oxidation. However, in case of device scaling down, it is not actually a good way of doing it, and there can be a lot of many problems, such as the surface of the transistor may not be a very planar, so it can be a problem. And just like I said before, in case of device scaling down, it is not a good method to do. So people thought of other methods, which is LTI and STI and DTI. It's basically making a trench into the transistor by using an etching method. Because it's making a trench deep into the device, for this device scaling down case, it can be a better method compared to the low-cost. And there is two types of DTI is deep trench isolation and STI is shallow trench isolation. However, these kind of methods also have some kind of problem, which is it is hard to make a trench in an anisotropic kind of way, and just like the low-cost, the planar, the making the surface more planar can be a hard process. So we should consider those kind of problems when doing this kind of process.